Hello and welcome to a quick demo on OCI document understanding. Now, the thing is, we actually learned in the previous lecture about OCI document understanding that OCI document understanding can be used for document processing. You can do optical character recognition in terms of the OCR, or also known as the OCR, to extract or to look for the searchable text within your documents. It does utilize the NLP capabilities, and you can also extract or classify the document. So mainly, if you actually, the best way to actually navigate to it is you go to Analytics and AI and go to AI Services Document Understanding, and you can see whatever we studied. It's actually all given here. Like in terms of features, you have the text extraction, right? It provides a word level and line level text as well as bounding box coordinates, right? And if you are giving your, let's say, document in a PDF format, it can actually look into different text. There is a very good thing about table extraction. So you can actually identify the individual cells and actually take it to Excel, right? Especially something related to numbers, and you see if it is coming up as a table. So you can lift that table from your PDF document and put it in an Excel document. And yes, it can classify easily based on the document, the nature of the document or the type of the document. It can tell you or differentiate whether it is, let's say, a driving license, a passport, or say a health insurance ID. So it's that intelligent. So let's quickly take a look. So the very first thing is text extraction, right? So now there are different ways. Either you can utilize the demo files. For our current demo, we'll just simply utilize the demo files. And you can either use local files or object storage. So either you can use local file, like any file which is there on your PC, or you can store something in the object storage and utilize from there. So there are a couple of demo files that you have, like we have here. So it's let's say a picture, right? It's a photograph, but still it is able to extract. If you see, it's still able to extract certain words. So if I'm, let's say, interested in time, right? So I want to see where exactly is time. So it'll actually focus on the specific area where it says appreciated your time and insight. Or if I'm interested in, let's say, this is for a line. If let's say I'm interested in a word, then it can actually, within that photograph, it can actually extract that specific word as well. So it's that intelligent. The next one is table extraction. So as I said, that you can take a specific table. Like if you see this document here, we have got a specific table which shows name of the partner, agreed upon cash, person share. Now, if you want to do some kind of a calculation, then you can easily take this and lift this, and it actually gives a result in the form of table. So you can just simply copy and take it to Excel, and you can do analysis on top of it, right? So this is what it is about table extraction. So it can identify tables in a document. So in the whole document, it is able to figure out, oh, this is the place where you have a table, and then you can extract their contents and probably move it to Excel and all, right? So again, another example is if you go to the demo files of chart, you can see that here this entire thing is there. It was a JPG. Again, it's a picture, right, guys? This is a picture. Still, from within a picture, you are able to extract all the different keywords or all the different numbers as well. And it does come with key value extraction as well. As we identified, it can identify values for predefined keys in a document, right? So let's say you are looking for specific passport number, health insurance number. It can actually give you that. So in this case, let's say you are interested in the product code, right? You give the product code. So it can actually tell you where exactly is the product code, right? So it is in line 1 and line it's basically this one is a product code, right? Or if you say I'm interested in invoiced value of 100, it can actually say focus on a specific type, and it is actually showing you the document type as invoice as well. So again, you can identify the predefined keys in a document, right? Or you can specify your own keys, and you want to see, okay, where exactly is it? More of related to, you can say, text extraction, but here you are interested in specific values. So if you see, if I click on invoice date, then it highlights this area. If I'm interested in customer address recipient, it highlights John Doe. If I'm interested in shipping address requirement, it highlights this. So yeah, it's all about key value extraction. And other good thing, as I said, is it can classify the document. What it means is that it is that intelligent that if you give the document, it can figure out whether it is a bank statement, it is a driving license, it is a passport, it's a pay slip. So it can classify based on just the image or the document that you give, right? This is like, again, a picture, or it's a PNG. It's an image that you have fed to the document classification service, but it's intelligent enough to figure it out. And if you say the results show that, okay, I have a confidence that this is 86% accurate, or confident that it is a bank statement, right? So it looks like a bank statement for sure, because it's from a bank, and it gives you the debit, the credit, the withdrawals you had, right? And it even gives other options like driving license. I don't think so it's a driving license. It can't be a pay slip. It's not a tax form. So yeah, so it's more about the tax document classification. Again, you can even create custom models as well, but we are not looking into the details of custom models. For our say exam, you just need to have good understanding of what is OCI document understanding. So I think with this demo, you've got good clarity on that. So thanks for watching.